Our next step is going to be separating the eggs. We're only going to use the egg yolk for our ice cream, so we need to separate it out from the white. Now notice I have 3 bowls. This is because when you're separating out the eggs, you do not ever want to do it over the eggs you've already separated. So we've got 1 bowl in which to separate over, a bowl for our yolks, and then a bowl for the whites as we complete it. Now what the eggs do for the ice cream is it binds it together and makes it into a nice thick custard. There are different ways of making ice cream, but I think this has one of the smoothest results. Now you notice you have to be very careful when separating the eggs. If you get any yolk into the white, then the white becomes unusable. Now obviously we're not using the whites today, so it's not going to matter as much for our purpose, but if you want to use the white for anything else rather than wasting it, you'll need to make sure to keep all of the yolk out. So some of the things that you can use the extra egg whites for, it'd be a meringue, perhaps a sponge cake or an angel food cake. Most white cakes are just going to take egg whites instead of the yolks as well. So you can use different processes for separating out the yolks and the whites. This I think is the easiest one, just using the shell itself. You can also buy egg separators, but you have to be careful when you crack the egg to not get the yolk broken, because once it's broken, it's not usable for the whites are no longer usable.